Today we're in the sunny suburbs of Newtown, inspecting a block drain for one of our lovely customers. They've advised they've had multiple block drains. We're here to take a look. Come on in. We're going to set up a high pressure water jet and clear through this blockage. Now we can put our pipe camera down and see exactly what's causing the issue. But to our camera inspection, we found tree roots that are entering the pipe. We've offered the customer a more permanent solution due to the root intrusion within their pipe. Instead of ripping up their beautiful bathroom, we've offered them a seamless liner with a 25-year backed guarantee. So we're now setting up for a reline process. The boys behind me have just marked out the liner, measured out the liner. We are mixing up our 2-part epoxy now. We've walked you through the whole process here. That concludes this job. Another satisfied customer, 25-year guarantee. For your plumbing, drainage, relining needs, visit sydneydrainsurgeons.com.au.